Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome back to the Voice of Indonesia News World with me, Rasya. In Indonesia, COVID-19 cases are on the rise. Experts say that the Delta variant is one reason. People who are not vaccinated against COVID-19 make up the most cases and deaths. Among fully vaccinated people, evidence show a small minority getting breakthrough infection. In medicine, a breakthrough infection happens when a virus breaks through the barrier of vaccine provides. In parts of India, a second wave of coronavirus infection is causing the health system to fail. Overall, the capital city of Delhi has the highest daily cases of infection. Hospital beds are full, medicine and oxygen are in supply, burial places are running out of space. Aid from other nations is coming, but healthcare and burial workers are overwhelmed. In the early 1950s, researchers found that people scored lower on intelligence tests if they spoke more than one language. Research in the 1960s found the opposite. So is it. Researchers presented new studies in February at a meeting of the American Association for the Advancement of Science. The latest evidence shows that being bilingual does not necessarily make people smarter, but researcher Ellen Bellstock says it probably does make you better at certain skills.